Good afternoon, Cuxton. I hope you've had a lovely day for Wellness Day. Lots of different activities going on today, I know. Welcome to the last assembly of the term. I'm so very lucky that it is mine. So I'm going to talk to you again about some timetable rock stars and numbots. We've got the new usage numbers and also the results from the competition. So let's get started. The first thing, I just wanted to remind you of what timetable rock stars and numbots look like. So the top screen there you can see is the timetable rock stars screen. And if you're playing by yourself, good practice. You can use Garage and Studio, or if you wanted to really test yourself, there is the sound check there as well. And our results for sound check have really improved this term as well, so I'm really pleased. But if you wanted to challenge your friends or your teachers, if you look across right on the end on the right hand side, there is the rock slam option, which you can see I've still got 19 challenges there, and I probably need to catch up on those, don't I, over half term, so I will have a little look. At the bottom is the screen for numbots, and on numbots you can go onto story mode where you can start to build your robot, or you can set yourself a bit of a challenge and go onto challenge mode, which is a little bit more difficult, but the children that have been on there do love it, so have a good go. Now let's move on nice and quickly. We'll have a little look at the leaderboard. So we're looking first of all at key stage 2 for the highest usage. So let's have a look. We have got with 45% white beam. With 54%, we've got a tie between magnolia and cherry class. Olive class in not too far away, with 57%, and then chestnut with 60%. Willow with 62%. Let's have a look for first place. Drum roll please for first place. And stop. In first place we have got Holly class with 87%. Well done, Holly class. So that means in second place we have got Maple with 78%. So well done, Holly class. Let's have a little look at key stage 1. So we're looking now at numbots. We have got with 27% birch class. We have got beech class with 33%. In first place, let's have a look. Drum roll please. And stop. We have got pine class with 48%, which means in second place we have got elm class with 38%. And actually I don't think the order of that has changed since last time. So well done pine class, you are the reigning champions at the moment. And finally, we have got EHFS. They've joined us on numbots in the last couple of weeks. So I have had a little look, and actually I think EHFS have put us all to shame a little bit, because both classes have done amazingly well in the last couple of weeks. So we have got Oak class, who in the last week their usage has improved by 92%, which is amazing. And Ash class, yours has improved by 100%. That means everybody has been on there even more. So well done to both classes there. You are both amazing. Now, the part that you have all been waiting for are the competition results. So let's have a little look. In year 2, the winners were, drumroll please, and stop, beech class. And year 3, drumroll again, and stop, cherry class. Year 4, we had maple. Year 5, chestnut class. And in year 6, we had white beam class. So well done to all of you. I did also have a little look at the overall winner. So let's have a drum roll to find out who it is. Drum roll, please. And stop. The overall winner for the competition was Maple class. I've put a little E on the end of there for some reason. But well done to Maple class, you absolute superstars. You had a very high a high score, highest in the school, so well done to you guys. Please do watch out because there will be some more competitions come in. I'm hoping to do a boys versus girls competition, so we will see who does the best there. Have a lovely rest of the day and a lovely half term. See you later.